StudyMode.com.
Next question is also from exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.2. Question number 4. The question is, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and then the major sector. We have to find two areas. First one is minor segment. Then second one is major sector. We have to use here the value of pi 3.14. The chord of a circle of a radius is given as 10 centimeter. Radius r is equal to 10 centimeter. And making a right angle at the center means central angle theta is equal to 90 degree. Central angle theta is equal to 90 degrees. So, I shall read the question once again. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center of the circle. Find the area of corresponding minor segment, second major sector. Use pi as 3.14. So, we have to draw a rough sketch. Here is a circle of radius 10 centimeter. A circle of radius 10 centimeter. And a chord subtends a right angle at the center of the circle. The chord AB subtends a right angle at the center of the circle. Now, the minor segment means this shaded portion is the minor segment. We have to find out the area of this minor segment. For that, we have to find out the area of the sector, then find the area of the triangle, then minus. Subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the sector. So, first of all, we are finding area of sector AOB. Area of sector AOB. Area of sector AOB is equal to, since the central angle here it is 90 degree, we have to use theta as 90 degree. Sector AOB is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Giving values 90 by 360 into 3.14 into radius is equal to 10 into 10 centimeter square. This 90 and 360 is get cancelling and relieving, here it is 4. And 10 into 10 it is 100 and 314. 3.14 into 100 becomes 314 by 4, which is, we can cancel 157 by 2. 157 by 2. This is equal to 157 divided by 2. 7 2s are 14. 1, 7, 8 2s are 16.5, which is equal to 78.5 centimeters square is the area of the sector. We are getting the area of sector AOB as 78.5 centimeters square. Now we have to find out the area of triangle. Since it is a right triangle, we can use the formula half BH, taking this and B and this as H. The two sides, excluding the hypotenuse, we can take as base and altitude. So, area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB is equal to, formula is half BH, which is equal to half into 10 into 10. This is equal to 100 by 2, which is equal to 50 centimeters square. Now subtracting this 50 from 78.5, we are getting the first part, area of minor segment. The first part is area of minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. That is 78.5 minus 50, which is equal to 28.5 centimeters square is the answer of the first part. That means area of minor segment is equal to 28.5 centimeters square. Now we have to find out the major sector. Major sector means sector having angle 270 degree. Second part is area of major sector. Area of major sector. Same formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Here the value of theta is 360 minus 90, which is equal to 270. 270 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 centimeter square. 0 and 0 is cancelling. Now we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 9. 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36 into 314. 314 by 4, we obtained it as 78.5. So, multiplying it with 3, we will obtain the answer. This is equal to 3 into 78. Area of sector AOB is equal to 78.5. Therefore, 3 into 78.5 centimeter square is the area of the major sector. This is equal to 235.5, 3 5s are 15, remainder 1, 24 plus 1, 25, remainder 2, 21 plus 2, 23 centimeter square. 235.5 centimeter square is the area of the major sector. Here we have to use the central angle as 270 degree. We have to take the major sector for the central angle 270 degree because total angle is 360 degree and here it is 90 degree. Subtracting 90 from 360, the angle of the major sector is 270 degree. That is the only difference. The same formula, using the same formula theta by 360 and giving the value of theta as 270 degree, we are obtaining the answer area of the major sector as 235.5 centimeter square. Okay.